If you're interested in the beautiful city of Guntersville, Alabama, then this home is a must-see. There's so much to do in Guntersville, and this home is just minutes away from water access, Lake Guntersville State Park, the Screaming Eagle Suspension Bridge and Ropes Course, Guntersville Museum and Cultural Center, Town Creek Fishing Center, and so much more. With 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 4,000 square feet of living space, you'll have all the room you need. This home sits on 1.17 acres of land and features beautiful granite countertops and vanities, custom cabinets, stainless steel KitchenAid appliances to include a gas range oven, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and separate ice machine, and washer and dryer. It's zoned for Union Grove Elementary, Brindle Mountain Middle School, and Brindle Mountain High School. If you have questions about this home or would like to see it in person, give me a call at 256-520-9640. That number again is 256-520-9640. And let me help you unlock the door to your next home.